Open up the safe, but you've got a lot to say, huh? In your face, thank you. I'll take that. Bush. For number 3. Alright, brother, number 3, please. Thank you. Alright, let's get going. We're late.
You right?
Yeah.
Got your driver's license, please?
I do, yeah. I got it on my phone. Does that work?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, you got far to go? 20 minutes. Alright, cool. We won't keep you long then, mate. Nice one. Thank you very much.
No worries. Sorry.
If you're going to do it less conspicuous because you've got a load of exhaust that we can hear you from a mile away. Yeah?
In that sense, I know, yeah.
Riding fast, that's going to make noise. Riding sensibly, it's going to make noise, but not as much.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Most motorbike accidents are caused, not by you, not by how you ride. But
2 hours later.
I'm not trying to knock your fun. I'm not trying.
Where are you off to now? Home?
No, my friends.
Oh, okay, fine. Right, okay.
Get home safely.
Nice one.
I will
Get a
do.
proper plate for the back as well, because that's illegal.
Yeah,
Right.
I'll get that looked at.
Good man. All right,
Thank you guys. Take care.
care.